I'm supposed to be a musician, but I can't tell a minor chord from a major chord. What should I do?
I think you should make an app. Make an app that can help you better master these chords.
Well, where do I get that?
Ask that guy called Phil.
Did I hear my name? You need help? I'm going to show you how to build another app today. Let's jump straight into Canvas. All right, so the first thing you want to do is come into Google Gemini. So type in gemini.google.com into your browser. As soon as you get to Gemini, which is free, by the way, okay, this is free. What you're going to do is click Tools and then Canvas. The next thing to do is to give it an articulate prompt that spells out what exactly you are trying to build. Because our friend is not able to hear chords properly, we want to develop an ear training app that will play a very quick and dirty chord sound, nothing fancy, right? It's definitely not a Nord or a Steinway, but we want it to give as realistic enough a sound so that when you hear it, it will train your ears. So the prompt I'm going to give it is as follows. By the way, I use a lot of auditory prompts, so I say what I want to say into the app. So I'm going to click on this microphone and I'm going to voice the prompt. It's all in the prompt, my friends. Build me a music theory app in a single HTML file. I want you to use JavaScript, CSS, any other languages you need that will run in a basic native browser. The app's purpose is to help me train my ear to identify chords. I want it to be clean. I want it to be a modern design with a dark theme. There should be one main play chord button that when clicked plays a random chord. And below it, I want several guest buttons for different chord types like major, minor, major seventh, augmented, and any other three you can think of to make it challenging for the player. The app should give me instant feedback on whether my guess was correct or not. We're going to stop the mic at that point. And because I have Canvas selected, it is going to open Canvas and do as I have said. That's just how it works. If you're able to articulate what you're looking for, you can get your tool to build you various apps. Now, if you are code inclined, you can run havoc in Canvas. You already know this. Some of you already know this. But let's take this thing for a test spin. Let's play a chord. This is how we're going to use the tool. Play a chord. That's a seventh right there. That is a dominant seventh. So I'm going to hit dominant seventh. It says correct. Great job. Now, while I like that, I'm not happy that it's not I want it to be colorful. So anyway, let's try this again. Why does that sound like a seventh again? But maybe some major. There's something's up here. It was a dominant seventh again. An inversion. Oh my gosh, he got me. I knew it sounded like a seventh. That's a minor seventh. Yeah. Oh no. This is hard. Minor? It was a diminished. Wow. You see, this is whooping my behind. Oh, that's a major seventh for sure. Yeah. Minor seventh. What? Just a minor. I need to go rinse my ears. All right, now you get the idea, okay? This is how you build the app, and I like it, but it could be better. So I'm gonna say, this is how you vibe with this thing. I'm gonna say, I like what you've done, but it's not really colorful and intuitive. I would like you to make the button light up red if my guess was wrong, and green if my guess was right. And I would also like you to make the buttons a different color to begin with so that it doesn't just blend into the background. Can you do that? When you're done with whichever dialogue you want, you then hit enter. Now let me just let you know that on the free Gemini account, and don't even think I work for Google. I don't work for Google. But on the free account, there are only so many prompts you can make. You get to a point where you're gonna run out. You're gonna run out of gas. Now, when that happens, you may have to wait till the next day to continue, but for the most part, you should be able to finish this little assignment using this. So let's play a chord again. Huh. And you guys aren't hearing it. I'm so sorry. You're not hearing what I'm playing. Maybe you are, maybe you're not. But let me turn it up a little bit, not too loud. Okay, I got that right by fluke because I wasn't even paying attention. Let's play the chord again. That's a major? Okay. A minor. Minor seventh, oh dear. Minor versus minor seventh. You see, it's finding my weak spots. It's dominant. Ah! Oh dear. I need help with this thing. This thing's gonna help me by the time I'm done. Minor seventh? Okay. Seventh. Dominant seventh. Minor seventh? It's minor seventh or minor, and I got it this time. Major. Dominant seventh. What? A diminished. Wow. So you can see I'm having so much fun with this tool I built. If you want to build yours, maybe your ears need help like mine. This is a tool you want to build. It will get you to dry land. It will kick you and it will teach you a thing or two. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button for me, subscribe, and I will be showing you a lot more tips and tricks on how to build whichever apps you need. You take care, and bye for now.